Hey guys, guess what? Just got my package. It's a Philips hairdryer. I just opened the box. It comes in this box. Yep. And inside you will find the hairdryer, of course. And this is the 9mm thin concentrator where you fit it on the nozzle here, and this is the 7mm. See the difference? See the diff? Yep. And of course, inside it comes with a warranty card. Yep. And it comes with the instructions on how to use it, but I'm just gonna skip that for a bit and then go have a look at discover the hairdryer. So it has a very good grip. It is solid. It feels solid, and it's definitely lighter than I imagined it to be. Okay, and over here we have the cool shot, where definitely cold air comes out when you press it. And then this has the different heat and the power. Yep. Okay, so let's try fitting the concentrator to the head. It's gonna be a mission because I'm using one hand and the other hand. Let's try it. Oopsie daisy, it's not working. Just give me a second. Oh man. Oops. There we go. So you don't have to turn it on, you just pushed it in to the nozzle. Yep. And this setting is the thermo protect. Yeah, it stays at a constant heat when you dry your hair to protect your hair from damages. This is the one that is hot. You get a hot air, and this is the cool air, and this is the speed. So it's 0 when it's off, and you turn it on medium, and that's really high speed. So now let's turn it on. Okay, so let's try and see how fast it is. So this is the first speed. You can see that it's strong, but when you turn on, it's really strong. See the flowers? It's really strong, and this is the medium heat. Speed. The difference. And all my four flowers. Yep, and they have the different heat, which I'll try them when I'm blowing my hair. So here you go, the Philips hairdryer.